In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TikTok's Creator Search Insights. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, is to open up TikTok. You're going to go to the search bar right here at the top right-hand corner of your screen, and you're going to type in Creator Search Insights. Once you're in this page, you're going to select View right here at the top, and this is going to be the best tool that you can use now to create content on TikTok. Under Suggested, you're going to see all the keywords or the topics that are going viral at the moment. Especially if you see this little arrow pointing up, it means that it's a great content idea and that you should start talking about it on your own TikTok profile. Something that you can do to boost your content even more is to start recording immediately inside of TikTok. The only thing you need to do is to press the recording button. It's going to be this red button right here with the little camera. And then you can simply record your video and post it directly from Creator Search Insight to gain a better engagement. Right here under Content Gap, you're going to find more ideas that people are maybe searching for, but they're not finding enough information on TikTok. So this is something that you can also use to benefit your content and to reach a newer audience. If you want new or different ideas, you can simply refresh your TikTok page, and trust me, you're gonna have endless TikTok videos to make if you use this tool correctly. And that's it. I hope you use this information to create great content for your audience. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. Bye.